Well, hey guys, I'm gonna do my first snowy flight here. It's a balmy 14 degrees and we got a little snow squall coming in. So I'm gonna kind of do a quick 2-minute flight, check things out. Hopefully don't crash. If not, I know we'll be hearing the I told you so's. So there she is. Ooh, good sign. I think we got both SD cards in. There you go. That's the snow squall coming in. Doing pretty good so far. As you can see, I'm cleaning up the track a little bit. Backyard 500 as I call it. Do some ice race practice here. We got a couple more weeks. It's going to be kind of cold out there, man. You see the wind picking up here. I don't know if you could hear it. Well, I wanted to try her out for once. Now the question is, can I land? We're going to get a better approach here. You can see I cloud a little to clear up, but it might actually help. That wind is nasty up there. I'm kind of blocked by the garage here, which is nice. He's really bucking that wind. I might just have to get her down somehow.